Now more than ever, there are so many different materials that are available for your roof that it makes it a lot easier when you see all of the asphalt shingles displayed. You also have some options with metal roofing, copper, metal, and slate products of all kinds, as well as clay and concrete tiles that are available. Even some of the simulated shake shingles are all on display here. Now, some of these can get a little expensive, so you really have to do your homework on the exact selection that you want for your home. But basically, this whole concept is set up to give you a comfort level when you select the roof for your home.
Well, I think being a bricks and mortar position that we are, it does give a certain comfort level to a consumer because they can come in and we're very credentialed. You know, we have all of the insurances, both general liability and workers' compensation insurance. All of those facets come out in our presentation and make the consumer feel a little more comfortable. What's important is a roofing system, not just shingles or metal or clay or anything like that. They need to know that they have to have a good foundation, solid decking. They also need to know about the underlayment, whether it's going to be what they used to call tar paper in a 30-pound phase or one of the more elaborate underlayment products that are available in today's market. They also need to know the type of shingle and making sure that it does what the customer wants from a performance standpoint, also from an appearance standpoint. And of course, value plays a very important part in it as well.
One of Jack's customers is James Long, and he told us why he chose to purchase his new roof using the design center concept.
The reason that we came here was because here you had the ability to look at examples of shingles and how they might look on your house. Whereas if you called a roofer, the roofer could come to you and give you an estimate, but he didn't have the ability to say, hey, you know, this is what it'll look like on your house. And when we came in, we got to looking at the shingles, and they gave us an estimate, and we got an estimate from somebody else, and the prices were comparable. So once I felt like, you know, that this place here, because of the fact that they had a building where you could come and look at things, they weren't going to go away tomorrow. And I wanted somebody that could, not that the other roofer wouldn't stand behind his job, but I felt like this place probably would stand behind it a little more. They went and took pictures of my house, and then they were able to take that shingle that we had picked out and put it on the house, on the computer, and to be able to see it on the house before you ever purchased it, before you ever decided, well, yeah, this is the one I want to go with. It looked good on the computer. It looks even better in person.
What a great tool to select the right roofing material for your home. But even the best material will only serve you well if it's installed properly.